made a funny sound pack of Calebcity, the guy who makes funny pain noises. Yeah, I basically made a sound pack in CMC Plus, and like it's still a work in progress because I'm trying to figure out like the attack sounds that like the computers get hit by, and like that sound has to play for the specific character getting hit. And like I wanted to play Caleb City, and like I'm still trying to figure that out. And like, yeah,
Super Smash Bros. CMC Plus.
I really like this game. It's pretty fun. And for broke people like me, because I don't have Smash Bros. Ultimate, it's pretty funny. The boss is funny. Yeah. Like, how am I supposed to know who this is? How? How? Like, no, I don't know who that is, bro. It looks like it got ripped straight from Gacha Life. Like, what? Are you serious?
Survival. Emerald. Duncan. Sandbag. Sandbag. Three,
Oh,
two,
okay.
one, go.
Jesus. Uh, the 1-2 combo. Like, come on. Out of here. This is amazing. This is the most amazing thing I've ever done in my entire life. Oh my. Okay, bro. You're done. Okay, just crit him. Okay, well, okay. Die. Give me that star. No! Never mind. Ooh! Wow. Wow. Okay. Hey.
Computer player defeated.
Oh my god. Oh, hey, bro. Eh. Ooh. Wow. What do you do? Oh, never mind. He's just standing there. What are you doing? Oh, I, I did not want that.
And that's game. This game's winner is
Nice.
Apple.
That, that was awesome. I think I'll work on the sound pack more. I don't know. I just don't know what's what. So that's kind of a problem. And like, yeah, I know some with the sound effects that correspond with the hits, but like, I don't know. I still gotta work on that. That was all for today. Goodbye.